Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your touchscreen just isn't working well on your Android phone. So maybe you have like a screen protector or something on and it's just not working. Well, there is an option on your Android phone. If you go to settings, scroll on down, go to display. Go on down under here and there should be an option for touchscreen sensitivity. Increase the touchscreen sensitivity of the screen for use with a screen protector. So if you got a screen protector over your phone or something like that, you can turn this on and it should give a little bit more extra sensitivity so you can actually use it. So just look at this as an option and you can decide if you want that on or off. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.